out through the mouth.
There it is.
Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
That was the one. That was the one right there. Dang. Dang. Yeah.
Not bad.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah, that's real good.
I'm going to apply support here.
Alright.
We'll give an inhale, and I'll press down gently, okay? Go ahead and inhale. Out through the mouth. That feels okay?
Just a little pain.
A little, okay, so let's just stay here. Go ahead and give another breath in. All the way out. Great. Last one. Okay. Slowly come on. Okay. You can slowly come out of that. Take your time. And that's going to be this stretch. You want to support the outside of your knees and just bring them together slowly. That helps. There you go. You okay?
Yeah, that's a good start.
It's a good one, right? It's,
Yeah.
you feel different. You feel new.
You can straighten your legs out.
Yeah, we're done with this one.
You
Okay.
hold yourself like,
Yeah.
am I okay?
Am I gonna break? I know. I understand. Mine are tight too. Okay, so we're gonna go into the office. It's gonna be for your hip flexors. I'm going to start with this leg up. Just relax it. I got it. I'm fine. Okay. I'm gonna bend this. And this leg goes down. Okay? You fine? Okay. I'm going to apply pressure on this leg. And just like the last one, if you feel like you need to pause or readjust, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and give a deep breath in and out through the mouth. How is that? Okay, can we go a little deeper? Deep breath in, all the way out. Okay, can we do one more? A little bit deeper? All the way out through the mouth. Okay. We're gonna come out of it. Okay, and my hand is here for support. Go ahead and give me a deep breath in. All the way out through the mouth. How was that? Go a little bit deeper, deep breath in. All the way out. Let's make sure your head is out of the way. There we go. Last one, deep breath in. And we'll let it relax. Okay. Give me a deep breath in. All out. How was that feeling?
Good.
Okay. And all the way out. That was 3. All right. Breath in. All the way out. You feel that stretch there? Okay. Do that 2 more times. Deep breath in. All the way up. breath in. All the way up. I can go a little bit deeper. Okay, deep breath in. Still okay? Okay, one more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Okay, I'm gonna let it relax. Can you go a little bit deeper? Okay, one more deep breath in. And all the way out. Perfect. And we'll let that relax. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna bring my hand here for support, okay? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. You okay? Okay. I can go a little bit deeper. Or just stay put. Okay. Go ahead and get a deep breath in. All the way out. Go ahead and do one more time. Deep breath in and all the way out. Good. Now let that relax. Okay. Deep breath in. All the way out. And deep breath in. A little bit deeper or stay put? Okay, give me a deep breath in. And all the way out. Great. Okay, let that relax.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, your DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Zach. Okay, so Zach came in with complaints of, well, tell me what's going on.
Well, my lower back is really sore, really painful when I stretch, when I try to put on my socks. So any type of bending motion, I had pain in my lower back.
Okay, and then you said you had mentioned the hip and the lower extremities as well with the clicking.
Yeah, my hip, it clicks when I bend my knee.
Okay, okay. And we did a lot of stretches for your hip flexors. How did that go?
It got me much more loose.
Okay.
And
Okay.
took some of the pain away.
Stick some of the pain away.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's good stretches.
Okay. And were they too tight or uncomfortable? Or?
I'm definitely tight. I have to keep doing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Keep stretching.
So this is your first time getting adjusted, right? Like you've never seen a chiropractor before?
No, this is my first
This is
time.
your very first time. Okay. So like I explained to you when we took the history, the goal of the adjustment is to increase that range of motion. Because when you were bending, you weren't able to go as far, right? So we want to see the improvement after the adjustment. As far as, how far can you bend? Can you touch your toes? That type of, any improvement, we want to take notice of it, okay?
Yes,
We're only doing just a percentage of the work. Most of the work is with you, actually. You have to stay active. You have to continue the stretches and exercises that we showed you, okay? And then I'll say, listen to your body. And if you get tight again, if it gets uncomfortable again, reach out to us, okay? But because I think it's just a muscle-related injury, we'll treat you for that, okay? And then we'll follow up with you, see how you're doing, okay? Any questions?
No, sir.
No, okay, all right. So I'm going to start with the main area, which is that lower back area, okay? And then I'm also going to, because when we did the exam the motions were a bit restricted, okay? Also that mid-back area, lots of stiffness, tightness that you reported in that area. So we're gonna adjust here and then here as well, okay?
Okay.
The hip, we mentioned about the clicking, and you know what that could potentially be, and that's why I want you to get the imaging, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then after that, after the adjustments, we'll get you back to the massage therapist so they can target the muscle to kind of decrease any muscle tension that you may have. And then
Okay.
you let me know how you feel, you know, overall at the end of the treatment.
Gotcha.
Okay? All right. So let's have you just kind of rotate for me. Okay, so that's a bit restricted. Let's go to the other side. That's a bit restricted. How's that?
That's very tight.
That's very tight. Okay. And I know initially when we did it, we were trying to get you to bend. That was a bit uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Let's have you do it again. When it starts to get uncomfortable, you stop, okay? So you don't have to go all the way. As soon as it gets uncomfortable, stop.
Bro, right there.
Right there. Okay. Let's have you come back up. Okay. So that's your motion before you get adjusted. You know, you're not completely out your toes yet, so you're around that area, okay? And that's still a little tight, even with the stretches, still some tightness with that bending.
Pain, yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Have a seat. So I'm going to have you face me. And I'm just gonna drop your head down and relax. Good. There you go. Okay. Straighten both legs out for me. There you go. Good. Bring your lower body closer to the end of the table. Good. Just like that. We're going to bend this leg. Good. I'm going to reach in like this. Hold on to that arm for me. Okay, good. And we're going to bend this leg here. What I need you to do is just kind of relax for me there, okay? So this is the area I'm targeting, that lumbar region, sacral area. And the goal, once again, was after you get adjusted, is to kind of increase that motion for you. So relax. Deep breath. Let it out. There it is. Yes, sir.
That's good.
Any pain with that?
No, no pain at all.
Okay, it surprised you a bit, huh?
Yeah.
You didn't know you
Feel
had
like
that
my
much?
whole spine twisted or something.
Mm-hmm. Let's go to the other side.
Oh man.
Okay. Same scenario. Need you to relax. Hold on to your arm. Reach in right here. Bring your lower body closer. Good, just like that. Straighten this leg out. Good. Bend this leg. Good. And just up, keep that leg bent. Relax. Good. There you go. Deep breath. Out. Relax your body. There it is.
Oh man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, that was the one right there. Dang. Dang. Yeah.
Not bad.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah, that's real good.
Okay. So now, moment of truth. Okay, let's have you go ahead and come up. The purpose of the adjustment is to kind of help you move better, increase that range of motion. So I'm gonna have you stand up and have you go into flexion. So, and then you let me, and let's see how far you go. So, let's have you bend forward again. There you go. Good. Yep, you're at your toes, man. So you can see the difference.
Yeah.
Can you feel the difference?
Yeah, it feels better.
It feels better. You're not straining, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Feels like I had the power right there again.
Okay. So now we're going to focus on this portion right here, okay?
Okay.
When we initially examined you, tension, stiffness here. So then that adjustment, the goal is to kind of decrease the stiffness, increase motion, That way you're moving better here, you'll feel better as far as movement, okay? And remember to continue the stretches and exercises, okay? Let's see what we're going to do with this one here. I think I'm going to do it a different way. All right, let's have you like this. You're going to be on the table with both legs on the table like this. And just going to have you roll with me to this side here. Good. Come this way here, good. Let's go ahead and take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. Let's do that one more time. Deep breath. And let it out. There it is. Yes, sir.
That's good.
Not bad?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good? Yes, sir. All right, let's take this off. Good. Okay. All right, let's have you come up. Perfect. Okay. Move around for me. Your neck is okay. You didn't have any complaints of neck issues or pain, anything like that. So stand up, move around, and then let me know how you feel.
I feel much more loose. No pain, like no. It doesn't feel weak right here. Like how I was feeling. Yeah, it doesn't feel weak.
Yeah, not too bad. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we still have to focus on the muscle. Okay, once again, the adjustment doesn't necessarily take care of the muscle tension. It's more of a joint, treatment. Okay, to increase that joint range of motion. So we still have to get the massage therapist to, dig in and decrease a lot of muscle soreness, tension, and that's like the icing on the cake. Okay? So at this point, we're going to take you back, get you started in massage.
Alright, bro, we're gonna breathe in. And we should let it go.